Get those hands looking more younger, remove any signs of aging, get them brighter, get them lighter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing. I share beauty tips, health tips on this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, get rid of wrinkles from your hands. Get them very smooth, soft, make them look very attractive. Remove old hands, remove those dark hands using these natural ingredients. Ingredients I'll be showing you are very nourishing without any side effects. They will make sure your hands are looking very soft, very smooth, with no signs of aging, more youthful. The skin will be glowing beautifully. So these are the ingredients you have to get. Okay, just continue watching and you never regret this. So the first ingredient to get here is oat powder. Get your oat powder from the supermarket. Look at it. It's brown, light, very light brown. Okay, this is very nice for the skin. It will make your skin supple, smooth, well nourished. It also contains exfoliating properties that will help to exfoliate, to remove dead skin cells. Scrub it out and making sure your skin reveals a new cells. Okay, it makes skin supple, makes skin plumpy, like gets rid of dryness, flakiness, and the rest. It helps to make sure your skin is moisturized and well hydrated. So get your oat powder. Another ingredient to get here is this aloe vera gel. So make use of any aloe vera. If you want to use the plant one, fine. If you want to use cosmetic type, fine. I got this from the supermarket and it's 100% gel. It's very natural. I use it on my skin a lot, but not every time anyway. I apply it on my feet, I apply it on my hands before I go to bed. There's one video I made with this, okay, to treat a flaky feet and making sure your hands and feet is looking well moisturized. And also I've used aloe vera also to make a face cream. So just check my videos, you see lots of them. So aloe vera is not only to remove dryness, it helps to treat irritated skin. It's very nourishing, helping to get rid of sunburn. It's very tightening, firming the skin to look more youthful and younger. So just get aloe vera, the plant one or cosmetic type. They are all good. Also make sure you get olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains high dose of vitamin E, and vitamin E is very nourishing, like contains powerful antioxidant that will help to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster, protecting your skin from aging. There are people that have wrinkled hands. If you have wrinkles already on your hands or feet, with consistent use, you will see that they'll be looking more youthful, soft, and very smooth. You will not see those wrinkles anymore. Your skin will surely get better. Get extra virgin olive oil. This treatment can be applied on the face, okay, but do not use olive oil if you have oily skin on the face. But this particular video is for hands. Just get olive oil, like I said, and add it into this treatment. The next ingredient to add will come later. So it's time to show you how to mix them thoroughly to get perfect treatment. Get a mixing bowl, okay? Just get a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of oat powder. So depending on the area you want to apply it, if you want to apply only on your hands, only add 2 tablespoons. If you want to apply extending on your feet, add it like double the ingredients because you need it to be much. So add 2 tablespoons of oat powder, then add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Just squeeze in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into the oat powder. Then another one to add here is olive oil. Get 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add it into the treatment. The last ingredient is vitamin E. Yes, I know I said olive oil contains vitamin E already. Yes, it contains vitamin E, but you still need vitamin E itself. Vitamin E contains not only antioxidants, okay, it contains other nourishing vitamins and minerals that your skin will benefit so much. It helps to tighten the skin. If your hands are loose, okay, like all those people that have loose skin, it will help to firm it up, put them together and look more youthful. So add 2 capsules, okay, 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, or add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil if you have it in container. So get 2 capsules, pop it into it, and you're all good. Mix this treatment together, mix them together until it's very smooth and not watery. Okay, do not allow it to be runny, okay, because you have to use it to scrub, using it as a mat as well. You don't want it to be running down your hands and waist. So after mixing this treatment and you see that it's still very strong, okay, maybe the treatment is still very thick, you have to add water or rose water. Use it to make it lighter. But in case it's very watery, you have to add more oat powder to thicken it a little. Wash your hands or feet, wash it thoroughly, then you apply this treatment on your hands. Apply and leave it on for more than 30 minutes, depending on how you want it. So you will notice that the treatment will get dried and your skin will look very firm and tighter. So wash it off using a lukewarm water, okay, and after that apply vitamin E oil, almond oil, or olive oil as a moisturizer. Sometimes olive oil can darken the skin, so you have to be careful. So to get those hands brighter, to remove those darkness, you have to use this treatment to be exfoliating your skin. If you want to wash it off, just be running it on a running water, be scrubbing it like this. This will help to enable those dead skin cells to fall off and reveal a more youthful, brighter skin on your hands. Rinse it using a lukewarm water, apply a light moisturizer like I said, and you're all good. Repeat this treatment every day, like every night use it or every morning use it, and you never regret it. Okay, when you have gotten to a point, maybe after using it for every day for 2 weeks, you can start using it once in a while, maybe twice in a week, 3 times in a week, and you see that your skin will look very fresh. It will get rid of those wrinkles. But you can use it like 2 times weekly if you do not have wrinkles, just to keep those hands looking well nourished, looking so attractive and all that. Store the remaining in the refrigerator to use it next time, and you're all good. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.